Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I had some days off, and believe it or not, until yesterday I didn't come into my craft room. I am filming this before Christmas so I could have it ready for you on Tuesday's tutorial. But I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year as well. So this is a New Year's treat box. It can be a party favor. You can do it for any kind of birthday, actually. But I made it New Year's because we are coming up on New Year's now. Can you believe that? I just cannot believe another year has gone by. So this is the one. I'm using some new stuff and some older stuff. Some stuff that we already have. So the stamp set is an older stamp set. It's not old. It's in our annual catalog. But I'm using the paper and the little baker's twine and these little embellishments. These are all new coming, and I cannot wait. I have a haul coming up. And it's a pretty good size haul. It's actually two combined. We got to pre-order. As a demonstrator, you get to pre-order. By the way, if you would like to join my team, you can pre-order all the new stuff coming in the new catalog that's coming out January 4th. And there is a deal that will be going on, which you can get. I'm going to show it to you when I can. I can't show the catalog right now, the inside. It's just a rule they give us. But it is a glass mat and accessories. And it's really neat. I didn't get one because I just got this glass mat. But I will show you what it looks like in the catalog when it comes out. So this is what I'm sharing today. And it just opens like this. You can fill it with treats, a small little gift, party favors. You can stick in here if you're going to have a New Year's Eve party. But I thought it was super fun and cute. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, let's get started with this. So what you're going to need for this, the stamp set, actually I'm using the bundle because I'm using the dies, is called Beautiful Balloons. And it comes with the dies, and the stars and the balloon are all in this bundle right here. And you can really dress it up if you want. I'm using the little squiggly for the string on there. But there's so much in here you can use. There's little confetti, all that. But I love the paper, so I use the paper. And so this is the Brightest Glow. This is one I told you that you need to have. It has everything in here from Christmas to New Year's and a lot of really good Christmas sentiments. And then this is the new Designer Series paper, and this goes with a bundle. It's called Lighter Than Air. Yeah, it's so cute. And Celebration is going to be going on at the same time. So you can get free items during Celebration. I'm not sure. I'll have to look because I need to usually mark everything that's free from Celebration, which I'll do when I do my haul, so come back for the haul. But look at this paper. It is so pretty, so fun and festive. I love the bright colors on it. I'm in love with this paper, y'all. If you know me, you know how I love the bright colors, and the patterns like this are me. It's just really pretty. Look at the little scallops. It's so pretty. But you'll probably see this again in my haul if you come back for the haul. But I am using the polka dotted ones with all the different little colors on it. And the little embellishments, look at these embellishments, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love these. This also coordinates with another bundle, and these are the baker's twine that we're going to use for this. Aren't those pretty though? So that is it, everyone. So let's get started with it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is I am going to grab my Misty here, and we are going to stamp our balloon. And I love this mat on here. It's sticky. So look at, you don't need any magnets for it. That's one of the other reasons I went back to the Misty, because there's some accessories I really like for this. All right, so I'm using which one is this? I always get confused. Lemon Lime Twist. And sometimes I want to call it Granny Apple Green, and we have a few greens that look alike. So this is Lemon Lime Twist. I wanted this to be super bright and cheerful. And so I'm going to use that. For those of you who haven't seen this little tool, you need this. If you have any kind of hand issues, this thing has saved me so much. And I'm going to do it one more time. There's little stars on this balloon, and I'd like for them to really show up. So we are going to, there we go, look at that. How cute though that is. See the little stars on it? It's so festive. All right, let me wipe this down with my little chamois. This is the best way, y'all. I put these chamois in the description below, by the way, because these things are so good to have. And they come in a big piece, and you can cut them, and it lasts forever. I've had one of them I had for, I think, 8 years. I had it since the beginning that I started. This one's a new, well, not new, but it's a couple of years old, I guess. All right, so I cut out the stars in the colors. This is Lemon Lolly, Flirty Flamingo, and Azure Afternoon. And then this piece right here is our pool party. This piece is 10 by 7.5. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share with your friends, because all those things really help my channel to grow, and I would really, really appreciate that. Also, I put an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and you can go there and you can download and print the measurements for it. All right, and then the matting piece here is 4 7/8 by 3 3/8, and the sentiments 3/4 by 3. So that is what we're using for this. We still need to stamp our Happy New Year on here. Let me close up this. I didn't realize I didn't close it up. So I am going to grab my mat here, and I am going to use VersaFine for the sentiment, Happy New Year. And I'm going to stamp that right in the middle. Just like that. So pretty. I love the sentiment. I always love the cursive with the plain font. And then I'm going to use the die, the balloon die. And I am going to cut this out with my cut and emboss, and I'll be right back with that. So here we have our balloon there. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and stamp the little tail for our balloon. And I usually just put it on here like this. And so I know where to put the little tail. And then just place it right there. And I'm going to pop this one up with dimensionals. And just set that on there. And we'll put the stars on when we get the box made. All right, let's do the box. This is an easy box to do. So on the 10-inch side, you're just going to score it at 1, 4.5, 5.5, and 9. And then you are going to flip it. I need to change my blade. My little ends are a little bit furry. And then on the 7.5, you're going to do it at 1/2, 1.5, and 6.5. Okay, so that is it. Now we are going to cut this. And first thing you're going to do is you are going to, let's cut down on, this is the top part where it has the 1/2 inch. So just cut down these. You're going to cut off this whole end right here. Just like that. And these are going to be our flaps for inside. So just cut off the 1/2 inch. And then I cut into these. And then into these top ones, this 1/2-inch piece, so that folds into the box easier. And then you're going to cut down each one of these. And I do cut into these as well. And then down here. And then this one on the end here, you can cut off because that is our glue tab on this side. So I'm going to cut in on that a little bit. So that is what it's going to look like. And we are going to sharpen all of these. I got to get this out of the way. I need to put a little sticky on that again because it just gets in the way. Okay, so now we're ready to put this together. So I'm going to use some tear and tape on this. I'm running low on my other tape, so I'm going to use my tear and tape. And this is such a good adhesive. And you want to put it on this. I think I'll use 2 little strips. Make sure. And I did do it on the wrong side. It needed to be on this side, y'all. If you want it to be nice and clean on the outside, I usually put it this way. Now I'm going to be putting it this way because I messed up there. I like the front to be nice and clean. You know how I do it, so if you've been around, you know I like the front side to be really clean. I forgot about it. Alright, so we are going to fold this way. But like I said, do it the other way if you want it to be nice and clean on the other side. It doesn't, to some people it doesn't matter, but to me it does. Because I don't like to see the little seam, which this one has a very, very small seam, so I think we'll be okay on it. Alright, and then on this side, I'll go ahead and use my Stamp and Seal Plus. And then I'm gonna take a little bit off of these side too, because I don't like to see that overhang, so. Let's just close that like that. Get all these little pieces out of the way. And then this is going to be the front of our box. Just like that. Alright, now we are going to put this on, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Stamp and Seal Plus on the front. You can use a regular seal on that and then just line it up on your front. I don't know why that's coming undone there. Oh, and I cut enough off of this little guy here. Just wanting to, there, that's much better. Okay. Alright, now we're going to attach the stars, and I am using dimensionals again on the stars. So I'm going to put this star here. I did change the colors of the stars a little bit. I'm going to put one here. And then we'll put our lemon lolly one up here. And then one more for our little blue one. And we need to do our sentiment, which I totally forgot. So let's do the sentiment. I love this sentiment too. All of this is from the same bundle. This is be a great one for birthdays too. And there's a smaller balloon. You can add smaller balloons to it. Or just leave the stars. It's all up to you. We're going to put this one on the very bottom. It's time, I think it's time for a celebration. Oh, I need to cut this a little bit shorter. So I think I cut this a little bit bigger than 3. Yeah. Okay, and then we're just going to add our little bit of embellishments, which they're so adorable. I just love these colors. It's just me. Let's see, should we use the same? No, let's use a different color. Let's use the Pool Party one. Maybe that'll blend in too much. Let's use the Lemon Lolly. I'm just going to tie a bow. Y'all, I love when they do the coordinating baker's twine. I love baker's twine. Everything. That's one thing about Stampin' Up. If you're new to Stampin' Up, everything coordinates. All our colors coordinate. They're all in the designer series papers. And all this sit on the back of the paper so you know what to use. Alright, so let's grab a glue dot. We'll put that one on here. I probably should cut that a little bit shorter. And then we're going to use these adorable dots here. So let's use a big one on this one. Let's put a blue one there. We use the salmon one. I think on the yellow. And then we need a lemon lolly. And that is it, y'all. It's done. Isn't that cute? I think it's so festive and it's so fun, but it would be absolutely adorable for a birthday party as well. Without the Happy New Year, of course. So here's the other one. I hope you enjoy these, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I have my December host code here. That's why I always put it here so you can write it down real quick. And if you use it this month, I will be sending you a free gift. So I really appreciate it. But if your order is over $150, you don't want to use it, but I'll still send you the free gift. So I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.